Hi, this is EJ, and this is the Blizzard 8.1 Titanium IQ ski. I demonstrated it in a 165 length. That's relatively short for someone my size, but this ski rocks. Gives you a great sense of agility in a shorter length. Holds a hard turn on the steep downhills and hard pack, and at 81 millimeters wide underfoot, this ski's going to float over powder. The new construction of this model has a little bit of rocker in it, just a little bit, not really noticeable, but it's going to gauge over the powder really nicely. If you're an expert level skier, you're going to like this, and you're going to like it too if you're an advanced level skier. This ski will hold anywhere on the mountain and have a great time for you. So be a smart guy, buy this ski. 5 stars.